السلام عليكم الإخوان. جينا اليوم هاد سامسونج A05 نورمال. المشكل ديالو هو لا يشحن، ما كيشارجيش كما كتلاحظوا. نديرو له واحد الشاحن ولكن 0 امبير، ما كيدخلش كاع الشارج. المشكل ديالو ماشي من الكونيكتور. كما ديما كنحاولوا تنتستيو ونعاودوا نتستيو ونحلوا التليفون نطلعوا عليه، راه بارفوت ما تيكونش المشكل من الكونيكتور. المشكل مع هذا السيري الجديده ديال سامسونج A05 هو مشكل ديال السماطي كما كنقولوا له، او الفليكس. فيهم مشاكل على الرام ديال الفليكس. هذا الفليكس هي اللي كتسبب مشاكل الشاحن، مشاكل الصوت، بزاف ديال المشاكل. تابعونا مع هذا الفيديو. غنقوموا بفتح الهاتف ونحيدوا السماطي مركب، نطفوهم ونعاودوا نردوهم وغادي يشتغل معنا ان شاء الله. تابعونا.
Mission 1, start!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, I don't know why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding. With a broken heart, tell me why I deserve this feeling. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? Or what you say is I don't know. Feelings change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong? What was the fault? I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments when we had was so true? This world was made for two.